K. Srivastava, teaching you Maths of Class 10th NCERT, Chapter 5, Arithmetic Progression. In this I have told you exercise 5.1, in which you have finished the exercise 4, 5th part. Exercise 5.1, 4th question, 5th part. Now we'll see the exercise 5.1, question number 4, 6th part. Again the same thing, if it is AP, then find the common difference first term and write the 3 more terms. So 6th part is given 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.222 dot dot. Here by seeing you are seeing that 22 is increasing, it means it is an AP. So first you write D1, D1 is A2 minus A1, 0.22 minus 0.2 gives you 0.01. D2 is equal to A3 means 0.222 minus 0.22 is equal to 0.0. Here 0.02. 0.002. Here 22 minus here 22 minus 12 is left. So D1 is not equal to D2. D1 is not equal to CD, so it is not an AP. 7th part. 7th part is given 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 dot dot. What is D1? Minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4. D2 minus 8 minus 4 will be minus 8 plus 4 again minus 4. D3 minus 12 minus 8 is equal to minus 12 plus 8 is equal to minus 4. So D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to minus 4. So it is an AP. And then A5, A6, A7. Minus 12 plus minus 4 will be minus 12 minus 4 minus 16. Like this you will get the minus 20. Minus 16 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 30. Minus 20 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 24. So you are getting this answer. 8th part is given minus half, minus half, minus half, minus half, minus half, minus half, that. So D1 will be minus half plus minus half is equal to minus half. D1 A2 minus A1 minus half plus half. A2 minus A1, so that will be 0. Similarly D2 will be also 0. Minus half plus half will be 0. D3 will be also 0. Minus half plus half you get, that will be 0. So D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to 0. So it is an AP. It is an AP. You know that AP common difference will be 0 or. So what is the first term? Minus half. What is the common difference? 0. Then other 5, A5, A6, A7 will be same. Minus half, minus half, minus half. Other 3 terms are also same. Here common difference and first term and common difference you want. Here also A is equal to 0 and common difference is equal to minus 4. Like this you will get the 9th question. What is 9th part? 9th part of this is given 1, 3, 9, 27. 9th part 1, 3, 9, 27 dot dot. What is D1? 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. What is D2? 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So D1 is not equal to D2, so it is not an AP. Not an AP. 10th part. 10th part is given A, 2A, 3A, 4A. A, 2A, 3A, 4A dot dot. So d1 is equal to a2 minus a1, that is 2a minus a is equal to a. d2 is equal to 3a minus 2a is equal to a. d3 is equal to 4a minus 3a is equal to a. So all are equal. d1 equal to d2 is equal to d3 is equal to a. So it is an AP. So like this, sometimes they will see it is not, but it will be AP. And then the next three term, a fifth, a sixth. What is the first term? First term is a, and the common difference is 2. Common difference is also a. A5, A6, A7 will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will you get? A plus A. Here common difference you are getting. What is A plus 4D, A plus 5D, A plus 6D, or A4 plus A, A5 plus A, A6 plus A. Your answer will be 5A, 6A, 7A. 5A, a fifth, 6A, A6, and 7th A, A7. Question number 11. 11th part of this. A square, A cube. A square, A cube, A power 4 up to so on. What is the D1? D1 is equal to A square minus A common A minus 1. D2 is equal to A cube minus A square, that A square is common A minus 1. So D1 is not equal to D2. A and A square is not equal. So what will you get? It is not an AP. It is not an AP. 12th part, root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, dot dot. So D1 is equal to root 8 minus root 2. Root 8 you can write by seeing it is not. But 8 is not a perfect square, but 8 can be written as 4 into 2. 4 to the 8. So you can write 2 under root 2 minus root 2 gives you root 2. D2, under root 18 minus root 8, 9 to the 18 means 3 root 2. You can write like this. Root 18 is equal to 9 into 2. That will be 3 root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. 8 is 4 into 2. 4 square root is 2, then your answer is root 2. D3 you can get root 32 minus root 18, A4 minus A3. 16 to the 32, 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2 will be root 2. So D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to root 2. So it is an AP. If it is AP, then its first term is root 2. Common difference is also root 2. What you want to find out? Fifth term. Fifth term is A plus 4D. What is A? Root 2 plus 4 into root 2, that is 5 root 2. 5 root 2 you can write like this. Then what will you write? 5 5 is 25. 25 into 2, that is root 50. 6th root A plus 5D. General form. Root 2 plus, no, here A plus 4D. So here 4D. 4 plus 1, yes sir. A plus root 2 plus 5 root 2. What will you get? 6 root 2. 6 6 that 36. 36 into 2, 72. Root 72 you will get at the fifth place. A7. a plus 6d. What is a? Root 2 plus 6 root 2. 6 plus 1, 7 root 2. If you want to write in same root, 7 7 ja 49 into 2, 2 9 ja 18, 2 4 ja 98. So you can write next three terms is root 50, root 72, root 98 and common division. Like this you can explain. Rest part next 12 and then 13th. 13th part of this question is given. There are many parts. 12, 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 parts. In the 13th part, it is given root 3, root 6, root 9. Root 3, root 6, root 9 and root 12. Dot dot. So d1 is equal to root 6 minus root 3. It will be not 3 2 is 6. Root 3 common and root 2 minus 1. d2 is equal to root 9 minus root 6. That is 3 minus root 6. So d1 is not equal to d2. It is not an AP. Not an AP. 14th part is given 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, odd number square. d1 is equal to 3 square minus 1 square, that 1 square, not cube. 3 3 are 9 minus 1 8. d2 is equal to 5 square minus 3 square, 25 minus 9, 16. So d1 not equal to d2. Therefore, it is not an AP. 15th. Last part of this exercise. 1 square, 5 square, 7 square. 1 square, 5 square, 7 square and 73. So d1 5 square minus 1 square 25 minus 1 24. d2 7 square minus 5 square 7 7 ja 49 minus 25 24. d2 is equal to 73 minus a4 minus 7 square 73 minus 49 24. By seeing you can't say that it is an AP, but by solving you are getting it is AP. By saying 1 square 5 square 7 but 73, how it is possible? Some of you will tell it is wrong because 7 power 3 is not, but it is a 73. So don't see and tell it is AP or not. You solve and tell then it is AP or not. So like this you will see it is an AP. What are you getting? d1 equal to d2 is equal to d3 is equal to 24. Therefore it is an AP. If it is an AP, so what is its first term? 1 square, that is 1. What is your common difference? 24. So a5 is equal to a plus 4d. Means 1 plus 4 into 24. 1 plus 97. Or you can add both the options are there. A6 is equal to a plus 5d. A is 1 plus 5 into 24. You are getting 1 plus 120, that is 121. Okay. So you will get A7. A7 is equal to A plus 6D, that is 1 plus 6 into 24 will give you 1 plus 144. So one answer is this, one answer is this, one answer is this, and then these are the first term. Like this you are getting, and your this exercise is over, and the rest part ended term AP I will tell you in the next exercise lecture.